In this video, I'm going to talk about how to add passport to a wallet on your iPhone on iOS 26 and how we can do it. So this is definitely going to help you guys out whenever you're trying to travel somewhere else. If you're having any kind of documents, you can save it on the wallet. So if you want to do this, if you wanted to add, you just need to go over here, tap on the wallet. And right now what you need to do is you just need to tap on the plus icon over here. That's going to take it to this, and right now as you can see we have debit card or credit card. You can save transit card, you can go for the driver's license and ID cards and all those things. So what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on driver's license and ID cards, and over here you just need to tap on digital ID over here. So what happens is over here in digital ID you just need to bring your passport and you have to show it over here. So what you need to do is you have to show it over there. So I don't have any passports right now. What you need to do is you just need to go over here, the continue, and over here in the back side you just need to bring the passport over here, and you have to make sure that you show it properly. And once you show it properly over here, it will scan the photo over here and it will be saved on your device. And next time whenever you are trying to go for any kind of travel, or you can just use this particular one as a passport, you can show it on the wallet. You don't have to carry one, and this is how we can do it. So, or you can keep it as a save. So if you wanted to share any kind of documents to anything for any kind of verifications, you can send from here and you can do kind of things. So this is how we can do it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.